What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Turning on some lights in here. Gonna be a little bit different video than what we're used to. Normally, we're used to taking videos outside working on trucks and stuff, and I hope the audio is okay with the AirPods. But today we're gonna be inside the house. I'm actually doing an unboxing video on a pretty expensive piece because I couldn't really find it too much myself on the internet, and I don't know. I wanted to be able to share that with you guys and see if maybe this helped you along the way. And I'm going to do a whole instructional video of actually when I install it on the truck and do the exhaust and everything else. Got a 5-inch MBRP exhaust, which is going on. But as you guys can tell by the title, these are getting pretty difficult to find. Regulations and stuff are making it pretty difficult, and obviously I am only doing this to show you guys how to do it, and then obviously my truck will not be tuned because that is against the law and I'm not doing that. So I'm just doing this for an instructional video for you guys. But anyway, went to a local diesel performance shop and actually scooped Easy Link with GDP lifetime tunes. Coming from cars, this is ungodly expensive. This is like triple the cost of any car tuner I've ever purchased in my life. And that might include with custom tunes too. This thing was, I mean, I'll just tell you guys, I don't care. I mean, it's $1,400 just for this. And that's not including all the other emission regulation things that you have to get along the way. This is literally just the tuner. So $1,400 is pretty steep for most people. So let's go ahead and get into unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, guys, so I cut the wrapper off, a little off topic because my ADD. If you guys work out and you want some BCAAs, they taste so good. Anyway, cut the wrapper off, slides out of the package, comes with a nice GDP tune or whoever. This is just an agent device. GDP is actually the one that does the tunes. So keep that in mind. Here's the box right here. Don't know how much of the serial number I want to show you guys, but anyway, it includes lifetime. I was recommended to do that because if not, you are given a time frame that you actually have to tune the truck. And like I said, we're just doing this for education. We're not actually doing it to delete the truck. So I'm gonna have to put the phone down a second and open this up because it actually doesn't open from the side. It opens from the bottom. But anyway, you open it up, and inside is your device right here. And this would actually be, I'm assuming, what hooks up to the truck. This is a really bad video. Let me stop the video. Let me get this stuff out of the back. All right, so this is absolutely everything included in the box. So it says download Easy Link from the App Store because remember, Easy Link is a cloud-driven device. So this is all this information from my truck is actually going to be live feed on my phone. The left side right here is a nice holder for your dash for the device, but with it not having actual like display screen on it, I'm not sure why you would want that. After I tune my truck, the device will probably stay in the glove box, but if you're wondering what that looks like, then here's the actual agent itself, the device that's going to plug into your OBD2 port, and then you're going to be able to do everything remotely from your phone. One thing that I did not see in here though is, okay, so it says it right there. You actually have to follow on-screen instructions. So everything has to be done through the device, but this is just a short unboxing video to show you guys everything when you're buying this, how much money you're spending and what all it comes with. And something that I actually have to call the diesel performance shop is, I forget the actual name of it, but it's the switch that you can spin it on the fly. I forget what it's called. It's like a 4-position switch, I think. 5-position, 4-position. But anyway, that's literally all that comes in this box. So this is going to be your agent. This got GDP tunes loaded on it. Holder, other cable, which I will have to read about this other cable because honestly, I'm not 100% sure. Then they provide you with some nice zip ties to keep your cables out of the way because I'm assuming at some point you're going to have to leave something hooked up. And then, you know, what would a $1,400 device be without a like little elevated sticker? My God, what a deal. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Like I said, even if it's a small video update or whatever, I'm going to continue posting. Going to just keep trying to push the content out as much as possible, try to get my name out there the best I can. I'm at 1,400 followers right now. My dogs are about to go crazy because my wife just got home. But anyway, next stop's 2,000. Hopefully I can start keep pushing more content. I plan on tearing the truck completely apart this winter, doing powder coated suspension, engine build, trans build, the whole nine. I plan on going pretty wild this winter. So make sure you guys hit that sub button. And if you've made it this far in the video, I really appreciate all the support lately. If you are watching, just hit that smash that like button. It really helps with the video analytics. And then also, if you're not subscribed, just hit that subscribe button. It's free, really helps out a channel that's small like me. But until next time, guys, support those who support you. Peace.